Hi guys, it's me here Chocolate Manus. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on trinket on how to make an house. New trinket and click blocks. Here we're gonna name it house. So we're gonna do shape. You can pick any shape you want. I will go with the triangle. Then I will go to turtle, then scroll down a bit. Then scroll down a bit and choose speed. I will speed it 10. Then I'm gonna take move. So then scroll up. I'm gonna pick total 11 of all both of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We all now have 11. Now all we have to do is change. I will pick 134 in this. Control A, then copy paste it. Control T. And here we're gonna do 40. And now only in 3 of these we're gonna do move forward by 100 and turn right by 92. 92. And our last block. I'm gonna put 100 in this. Now let's see if it works or not. It does work. What about we delete the speed block? It will have a normal speed. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!